everyone, Krugs here from Ace Trading. Today I'm going to talk to you a bit about chaos, the writing style connected to our changing tides bot. Okay, so we have a number of writing styles available to traders if they purchase changing tides, obviously at different costs, different prices. But I wanted to talk to you a bit about what chaos is so that you have a bit of an insight. But I'm not going to go into too much detail because if you do purchase chaos, we do have an educational course that will go into a lot of detail and explain the ins and outs of this fantastic bot. But it is it's called chaos because it's a chaotic approach to the market open. We all know that the market opens, so I'm talking about the US Stock Exchange, so the US Eastern Standard Time of 9:30. We do know that that time is quite crazy and it is quite hard to predict. Okay, and because of that, we made a chaotic approach to trade that market open because we do know traders love to, roll the dice, do a bit of gambling and trade that market open. And it is gambling in a way, but we're kind of using an analysis approach, looking at a number of different things. So we're looking back at prior opens, we are looking at candle chart patterns, we are looking at a range of different analysis tools that we have analyzed the market with and created 3 different approaches inside chaos. Okay, so I'm running my favorite one right now, and I'll talk a bit about it in a second. But you can see we are getting close to market open. At 8 o'clock, there is a pre-market analysis, and that kind of pre-market analysis does help identify what kind of trend is happening, if it's a range day, is a consolidation, and what type of trade should I be looking for. But we're waiting for that 9:30 open so that, we can put this, bot into practice. Again, you have access to everything on the right here. I could get into these trades by myself right now. I could wait. I can manage those trades. It's all part of this fantastic bot. You can see here we go. We do have some trades being taken.
Order canceled.
So you can see this bot here is a scalping style bot.
Order canceled.
You can see,
order canceled.
There we go, a couple others. Our P&L was ticked up nicely. We're scalping that open. I tend to like running this bot between 9:30 and 10:30, so we will see the bot stop at 10:30. We'll see if there's any more trades.
Order canceled.
Okay, now we have hit that 10:30 time. So you can see that there were trades that were taken. They were scalping trades. You can see each time the market was analyzed and this kind of box was shown to us to be the high profitable area for these trades. So then as we exited that high profitable area, we were able to take some scalps, and that is just one style. But I'm going to pull up the parameters now, and I guess that'll be a bit easier for me to describe what this bot actually does. Okay, so we have the parameters up for changing tides. You can see that I was trading live. I'm currently in playback because I'm showing you some demonstrations. There's an option for historical and live. If you choose historical, it's just going to show you historical trades on the chart, and it won't trade live, and vice versa, so live. So this won't show you any historical trades, but it'll allow you to use that chart trader, which you can enable down here, the trade panel, and so forth. Here is where I've selected chaos. So we have 4 writing styles connected to changing tides. So I've already shown you wave breaker. Today I'm showing you chaos. So I just select chaos. But if I was to choose any of the others, those parameters would appear down the bottom. I'm going to show you chaos. So inside chaos, it has its own parameters. Okay. It says here the chaos strategy. It's for the US Open. We recommend 5-minute charts, but you can see on the chart before, I was not using 5 minutes. I was using our breaking point bars, and just because we suggest 5 minutes, there's so many different types of bars that you can use with this. You have inside the chaos strategy, you have 3 different types of strategies. You have anarchy, havoc, and mayhem. So I was running anarchy. Okay, that's probably my favorite one. It's just a nice quick scalp. I tend to do that most days. Scalp a bit of the open, and then I'm done for the day. Automatic just means I'm running all 3. I'm going to use some pre-market analysis. So I'm looking at that pre-market. It's already these times are already inbuilt for Eastern Standard Time, so you don't need to change them. However, if, for example, you wanted to run this at a London time, you would just take these times and move it across to the London times. Or maybe you want to look at the Asian Open or the Indian Open or whatever it may be. Okay. Anarchy has its own profits and stop loss. Okay, so I'm going to use 15 and 120. I could choose havoc. I could choose anything. Once I've chosen a different type, so anarchy, it tells you here it's a breakout strategy looking at scalping. Okay, and that's why I really want to have that scalping, I guess, set up. If I'm looking at havoc, it's kind of like a mid-level, so you can kind of see it's a 2-to-1 type of trade. Or you got mayhem. Okay, mayhem's another. It's looking for larger moves. Okay, but you can definitely change that 21 to any values you like. These are just suggested values that come with the bot. Okay, and then you can still use these optional parameters. These are the engine that drive, I guess, the bot and all the different writing styles. Once you've chosen a writing style, these will never change. Okay, I'm actually running it from 9:30 to 10:30, so that's the only time I want to take some trades. I wasn't using any kill switches or days of the week. I could also choose confluence indicators. So one of my favorite confluence indicators is actually Sea Serpent. I love to run Sea Serpent for this bot. I wasn't running it today, but I can actually show that on the screen, and then I can set colors and things like that, choose my periods. That is one of my favorite ones to run, but there are other, I guess, confluence indicators you can use, and we will obviously advise you set up some templates and things like that. And then our template creators will have templates available for you to purchase and subscribe to, and then you can just let the bot run daily and just, I guess, bring in that money that we are all after. So you can see in the chart here that I'm actually, in this case, using 30 ACE lineup bars. Okay, we recommend using a number of different bar types, specifically our bar types. These give you the edge on the market. So using breaking point, lineup, Renko, and drift, they really give you an edge on the market and allow you to get into a range of different trades that other traders aren't getting into. Okay, you can still use your standard bars, minute bars, range bars, and so forth, but by using our bar types, you're just getting these different trades, you're getting different setups, and they really align well with chaos and our other writing styles. Okay, so we do a lot of the heavy lifting for you. We will provide you templates. We will have template creators providing you templates that you can subscribe to and so forth. So we do help you out a lot. But yeah, this is one of my favorite bots for just scalping that chaotic market open. And yeah, I'll be back soon with a couple more writing styles.